Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Mouli and welcome to another exciting episode where I will be creating a bridal kit for you guys. Now recently I have put a story on Instagram that what videos you want me to make, and many of you told me to do a bridal kit for any upcoming bridals. Now I do understand in this lockdown period you just cannot trust any makeup artist because makeup artist is gonna do makeup just like this close. Okay, their face will be like this close and they will do makeup. Of course they're gonna wear the mask, but still थोड़ा सा रिस्क तो रह ही जाता है ना. So today I'm gonna share under 500 rupees bridal kit for you guys, for any upcoming bride, whoever is watching this video. I hope you will find this video helpful. So further ado, let's get into the video. Another quick disclaimer which I wanna clarify before entering into the main video, that whatever products I will be showing you in this video, they are not sponsored or they are not sent to me through PR or whatever. I have bought this with my own money and none of these products are sponsored. Okay, whatever products I will be showing you, I will leave a link for you guys in the description box. You can also check that one out. Those are not affiliated links as well. Okay, first of all you need a moisturizer, but a moisturizer is very subjective, so I'm not gonna give any moisturizer recommendation to you guys because moisturizer is dependent on your skin texture. If you have dry, if you have sensitive, if you have normal to oily skin, you will be needing different type of moisturizers. So I have most of the moisturizers which is for oily skin type because I am from oily skin type family. Okay, so you can use whatever moisturizer that you use for your regular basis. So I'm not gonna blabber about moisturizer in this video. I'm gonna go straight with the primer, and I have this Nykaa Prep Me Up Face Primer. This is just under 500 rupees. This retails for 499 rupees and you will get about 30 grams of products. As you can see, it's very good packaging, and this is a silicone based primer, so it will be perfect for any skin type. This will give you hydration and this is very long lasting as well. Okay, so it will create a barrier between your skin and the makeup, and this will be a perfect go for especially upcoming brides. As this is summer season and the humidity is real, you guys, so you of course need a good quality foundation, and under 500 a good quality foundation is very rare. So recently I have tried out this Lakme 9 to 5 primer plus matte perfect cover foundation. This is a very good foundation. I feel like most of the foundations from Lakme are not meant for summer, they are meant for winter, but I just feel like it's a very good foundation. It's primer plus matte finish foundation. Although I don't feel like it's totally matte finish foundation, I feel like it has a little bit of semi dewy finish into this, so I will highly suggest you guys to go for it if you are looking for a foundation under 500 rupees. Again, this is just under 500 rupees, I believe. It retails for 475 rupees and you will get about 25 ml of foundation, and the foundation will last long, like forever. Okay, it's a very nice foundation. You don't need a lot of foundation with this particular product. I just feel like it's a buildable coverage. It gives you very beautiful finish in one go, I will say. Even if you use any sponge or beauty blender, I just feel like it's very good foundation under affordable budget, and especially for summer season right now. So I am going serial wise. If you already haven't noticed yet, I have this beautiful concealer by Swiss Beauty. It retails for only 199 rupees, and whenever you will purchase it, you will get a very huge amount of discount, like 5% or 10% discount. And always whenever you will purchase anything from Swiss Beauty, especially from Nykaa, you will get free lipstick and free powder and whatnot. That will be a big discount as well because their matte revolution lipstick is very beautiful. Currently I'm wearing one shade of them, as you can see. But coming back to the concealer, this concealer is full coverage concealer, and it's pretty long lasting. I think it will last you up to 12 hours. I am wearing this particular shade right now. It's very long lasting. I am already wearing this makeup for like 4 hours. It's a very late night. I think it's 12 a.m. Yeah, it's 12 a.m. So as you can see, it's pretty long lasting and it didn't smudge. Although I have set the concealer with the powder. Whenever you are using any concealer, you have to set the concealer with powder, which will be up next. But it's a very good concealer under affordable budget. Definitely give this one a try. I think every single person out there loves this concealer. Nobody can deny the fact. If you just consider one product from Swiss Beauty, you can consider this concealer from the brand. Let's move on to the powder. Now powder is pretty subjective. If you have oily skin type, you can go for loose finish powder. If you have dry skin type, you can go for compact powder. Now if you are someone who actually feels the oil just over the nose tip, then you can go for compact powder, not loose powder. Okay, loose powder helps to sucks all the oil very fast, but I will suggest you to go for a compact powder even if you are from oily skin type, because as a bride you need a little bit of dewiness all over on your face, and the makeup is gonna last for like what can I say, like 7 to 8 hours, not more than that. But whatever compact powder I'm gonna show you right now, they will soak up the oil for like 8 to 9 hours. Okay, I'm gonna suggest you this Stay Quirky compact powder. I have talked about this so many times. I freaking love this product. I also love their translucent powder, that is also a very good powder, but as I am not suggesting you any translucent powder in this video, this will be a perfect choice for any bride. Okay, especially for bride. It's very good. It's a very emollient powder. It also comes with a mirror and a sponge, and as you can see, I have used so much of it. I know it's not visible, but I have already used like half of this pan. Okay, although I am from oily skin type, I prefer this compact powder because it's pretty long lasting, and this product retails for only 249 rupees, but I am sure whenever you will purchase it, you will get a huge discount in Purple. This is a Purple exclusive brand, so you will only find this in Purple. Even if you are not sure about compact powder, just trust my words, give this one a try. You will not regret, and I'm sure of that. Next we are going to talk about bronzer and blush, because that's really important for a bride, because whenever you will apply all the foundation, concealer and powder, your face will become very flat. To give the structure and the warmth, bronzer and blush is very important. And for blush and bronzer, I have one palette, and this is a very versatile palette, and this is the Swiss Beauty Studio Light Glow Ultra Blush Palette. I just feel like this is a very close dupe to the PAC one, which actually sells with such palette, and they have similar shades. Now why I'm suggesting you this palette, if you're a beginner and if you don't know how to do makeup, you can try different type of blushes. Okay, now there is a very important fact which you need to know. Every single color is not meant for every skin tone in India. Okay, so you have to understand what color goes with your skin tone, whether you have very fair skin tone or any medium skin tone or deep skin tone. You have to understand what type of blush you need, and as a beginner it's little bit tricky to understand that in the first place. So that's why I'm suggesting you this palette, so that you can make out your decision before wedding. You will be practicing makeup before your wedding, right? If you're a beginner, you cannot just do once before wedding, it will ruin your makeup. So that's why I'm suggesting you this palette. Like if you are from fair skin tone, this will go amazing with your skin tone, and if you are from medium skin tone, this 2 peach shade will go amazingly with your skin tone. If you are from dark skin tone, you can try out this particular shade. Okay, so you have to understand what type of texture, what type of skin tone that you have, and which particular shade will go with your skin tone. So that's why I'm suggesting you this blush palette. And for bronzer, they have 2 shades, as you can see, sorry, 3 shades, as you can see, 1 2 3, and you will choose according to your shade. Again, you can choose whatever shade that you prefer. If you want that harsh bronzing, you can go for this one. If you want that light bronzing effect, you can go for this one, and if you want that medium subtle effect, you can go for obviously this one. Again, it will vary with skin tone, obviously. And for highlighter, it has one highlighter shade, but I'm not really suggesting this particular highlighter for any skin tone because it's a little bit whitish, as you can see. So I'm sure none of the skin tone will match this particular highlighter. So for highlighter, I have another recommendation from the same brand, and I have this Swiss Beauty Brick highlighter. Again, you have to understand the fact that every single highlighter shade doesn't go with every skin shade. Okay, so you will have to understand what shade of highlighter will go with your skin tone. Okay, so it has again various shades. Again, it has a very white shade which I'm gonna cut it down right away, but they have beautiful goldens and pink and peaches and whatnot. Even you can mix all this to create your own shade, and you can put it on your cheeks and it will glow like no one's business. Now under 500 rupees, it's really difficult to find out a good facial mist or any setting spray, but I have this Pilgrim Secret of Vinotherapy Red Wine Face Mist. It's very good for summertime. It's absolutely perfect. It will help you to mesh your makeup with one another, which is a very good thing, and you will be sitting in front of the fire for a very long time. So you will be needing some hydration too, so you can use it prior makeup, after makeup, whenever you want, you can just use it. I'm gonna spritz it all over on my skin and you will see the difference right here. As you can see, it's very hydrating and you will feel very refreshed whenever you will spritz it all over on your skin. So I highly recommend this particular one. I can tell you that it is not that much long lasting. Okay, so you have to use it like 2 to 3 times. I want to be very honest with you, but it's really worth it. It retails for 330 rupees and you will get about, I think, 100 ml. Yeah, 100 ml of product. So it's very good, very gentle on the skin and very mild face mist, and it will not irritate your skin at all, and the smell is also very good, not nauseating at all. Now let's move on to eyes, and for eyes I will be talking about eyebrows first, and I have this beautiful product. This is the Swiss Beauty Soft Waterproof Precision Eyebrow Pencil. Although you don't need this toothbrush at all, I have talked about this applicator in the past. I don't feel so good about this product because of this brush, but the product is very good, you guys. I have tried it like 5 to 6 times when I have shown you the haul. If you haven't watched my haul video, I will link it up in the eye. You can check that one out because that was pretty interesting. But it's a very good eyebrow pencil. You can literally use it on your waterline as well. I have tried it, that's why I'm saying it, and it's very good product. It retails for only 150 rupees, and I don't think you will get a product, eyebrow product, under 150 rupees. That's why I'm suggesting you this. It's a very good product. Although I have suggested another eyebrow product in my previous bridal kit video, I will link it up in the eye. You can go and check that one out too. I have already created another bridal kit under 500 rupees for you all, where I have suggested different type of other makeup products. So in this video I will be suggesting you to go for this eyebrow pencil because it's pretty long lasting and it's smudge proof as well, so it will last you for a very long time. Let's move on to the eyes, and for eyeshadow I think I will be suggesting you this Nicka K palettes. They have such beautiful fresh colors, and recently I have tried out their Lucky Charm and Oh Honey palette, but you cannot use it for your bridal. That's why I'm not suggesting you, because you will not be wearing any yellow sari or yellow outfit or green outfit. Of course you will be wearing any subtle finish outfit like pink, red, maroon and all of that. That's why you need to match your eyes with the outfit. It's very important. That's why I'm suggesting you this warm undertone colors from Nicka K. This is the Autumn Spice palette, and I have another option too, which is Poison Apple from Nicka K palette. I broke this palette. I freaking broke this palette. Okay, that was another story. I just dropped it and I broke this and this shade, which I fixed later, so you will see it's malfunctioned. So yeah, it has beautiful pigments. Okay, let me just give you some swatches so you will understand. It's so beautiful in one go. I mean, under this price I don't know if you will get this quality product. Although I will suggest you the Swiss Beauty palettes as well. They are also very good. This is the ultimate shadow palette. I think the colors are pretty much similar, if I am not wrong, as you can see. So the colors are pretty similar. It retails for 299 rupees, where this retails for 350 rupees. I will definitely give this I think 5 out of 5 stars, because they are so pigmented and they are just glides into the skin, you know. Without eye primer you can use it. Even they just glides into the skin. So pigmented and so long lasting as well. You can make it long lasting with the facial mist or the setting spray, whatever you prefer, but this is top notch for brides. If you are not happy with the shimmers that I have shown you in the previous eyeshadow, you can go for single shimmers as well. I have the Swiss Beauty single eyeshadows. They are liquid eyeshadow, and this particular range has beautiful colors, from rose gold to yellow to silver, what not. I freaking love this, and they are so pigmented as well. And they are pigmented not in one go. I will say you have to use it twice, okay, as you can see. So it's very pigmented, and it's very liquidy and long lasting as well. So it will not create any, you know, mess all over on the eyes, which I really like. You can literally use a single flat top brush to apply it if you are not happy with the applicator, because personally I'm not happy with the applicator. That's why I'm saying it's very good, and it's very inexpensive as well. It retails for only 199 rupees. Again, you are getting a shimmer under 200 rupees. और क्या चाहिए life में? I think if you're getting this pigmented shimmer under 200 rupees, I don't think you need anything else in life. Now you can invest in eyeliner or in kajal. I will tell you to go for a kajal, because nowadays smudged eyeliner look is really trending, and for the smudged eyeliner look you will definitely need a kajal, because eyeliner cannot be smudged. Yeah, you can use a gel liner, but you will end up paying a lot of price for the gel liner, because the gel liners are pretty costly. But I have a very affordable option for you guys. I have this beautiful 2 kajal. This is from Stay Quirky Badass Kajal, and this is the Cosmic Kajal. Stay Quirky has various shades, okay, so you can pick up whatever shade you prefer if you don't want to go for the regular black kajal. So definitely for a change, if you want to invest in some colorful kajal, dog is barking. Okay, so if you wanna, you know, invest in some colorful kajal in affordable budget, Stay Quirky has some beautiful kajal, and they are quite pigmented too, in one go. See, quite pigmented, and they are smudge proof as well. So you can invest in this kajal. And if you want to go for the regular kajal, like regular black kajal, I have much more affordable option for you. This is the Cosmic Kajal, and this is the black variant. Of course they have only black variant, which is a bummer, I think, but this is also pretty long lasting and very pigmented in one go. As you can see, I highly recommend these 2 kajal for upcoming brides. If you are a bride and if you're looking for an affordable option, definitely give these 2 a try. You can purchase these 2 kajal under 500 rupees altogether, so you don't have to pay 500 rupees and 500 rupees alag se. So you can purchase these 2 with 500 rupees. As I have mentioned, eyeliner is little bit redundant, but the mascara is not redundant at all. You need a good quality mascara, and of course a waterproof mascara. You know what I mean, right? So I have this Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. I just feel like this is much more better than the Hyper Curl and the Colossal one. I think you will end up paying a little bit extra penny for this one compared to the Hyper Curl and the Colossal one, but this is really worth it because it's a very good mascara. It gives you volume and length all together. This is the waterproof variant, so of course you need this one. Okay, highly recommend waterproof mascara, especially this Lash Sensational Mascara from Maybelline. Even if you are not interested to invest into the mascara, I will definitely suggest you to go for falsies. If you are a bride, you cannot skip your falsies. Okay, falsies is really important. Even if you have smudged your liner or kajal a little bit, or if you have done a little bit of extra eyeshadow, all the things is gonna hide with the lashes, and the lashes are irreplaceable, okay? If I can suggest you to not to go for the kajal or not for the mascara, although you need a mascara to prep up your lashes, it's again irreplaceable, but still if you under budget, then I will definitely suggest you to get this one, okay? I have this pack M75. I am using this like no one's business, and I love this false lashes. You will get a lot of variants from pack, and they are quite affordable. It retails for 375 rupees. You will get a lot of discount whenever you will purchase it. Check out multiple e-commerce platform before purchasing the pack ones. Pack products doesn't give offer so frequently on the Nykaa website, so I will suggest you to go for different websites as well, okay? And for the lash glue, of course you need a lash glue, okay? Lash glue के बगैर आप नहीं चिपका पाओगे. So I am suggesting you this Miss Claire eyelash glue. This is so good, you guys. Even if I say that I will give this 100 out of 100, I will give the pack and the duo lash adhesive 50 out of 100, okay? That much difference that it has. It's very sticky, it's very long lasting, it's smudge proof, sweat proof and waterproof, of course. So definitely give this Miss Claire glue a try, okay? I like this fact that pack don't give any extra adhesive, which I really like, because वो किसी काम का नहीं होता है, okay? So whenever you will purchase any random lashes like 10-20 रुपए का जो lashes आपको मिलता है, वो lash glue किसी काम का नहीं होता है. So I will suggest you to go for this particular lash glue. I was a big fan of Huda Beauty lash glue, but when it arrived in my life, I was like, I am not going to invest in Huda Beauty lash glue at all. The next product has to be a lip product. We are almost at the end of this video. So I have a lip liner recommendation for you guys. This is the Lip Balm lip liner. I will suggest you to go for a lip liner because lip liner lasts much more longer than the lipstick. Whatever lipsticks that you are wearing doesn't matter. If you are wearing a lip liner underneath your lipstick is gonna last long, like forever, okay? So try to use a lip liner underneath your lipstick. And I have this Lip Balm lip pencil. It's very affordable. I will link it in the bottom part because it's not easily available. I think I got this from Smitten. I will try to find the link because it stays out of stock for most of the time. For lipstick, I have recommendation, but see, lipsticks are so versatile, okay? You just cannot just fix it out what lipstick you actually gonna focus with your horse vision, okay? So lipstick is very subjective, but still I have an affordable option for you guys. I'm talking about this Lakme Forever Matte Liquid Lip Color. I bought 5 or 6 variants from this particular range and I freaking love this, okay? It's so lightweight, it's like full coverage, matte finish and smudge proof. Of course, I don't think you will find this much smudge proof lipstick under this budget. It retails for only 299 rupees, I believe. There is no mention of the price. I think I removed it. So it retails for 399 rupees or 299 rupees. I will put it in the screen, but it is just so good, you guys. I really cannot stop recommend you enough to purchase this particular product because it's really worth it. It has various ranges. If you are a nude person, you can go for nude shade. If you are a red person and you need that red bright lip on your wedding day, it also has that variant as well. It has also a very beautiful tango color, like orange tango color. So I really suggest you to go for this particular range, although lipstick is pretty subjective and it's very versatile as I have mentioned, but still I will suggest you to go for the Forever Matte range from Lakme. And yes, with that, our bridal collection is done, you guys. I really hope you found this video helpful, and in this pandemic situation I tried to cover most of the affordable products that I can and that I have, because the makeup is very versatile, okay? I don't even have 5% of the whole collection that is available in this world, but I just wanted to show you some recommendation which is really good, and I'm trying these for years now, like for years literally now. So I just like to, suggest you whatever I am using, whatever is actually working, because you are gonna be a bride and all the focus will be on you. So of course there will be some products which you will obviously need, and before your wedding day don't forget to do a facial at home. If you want me to suggest any facial kit, do let me know in the comment section, because I have some of them. I have tried a lot of them, so I can suggest you some facial kit for you guys as well, because on a prepped up face, makeup looks much more healthier, and it looks much more youthful. And yeah, I will see you on my next video. I hope this video was helpful. Beside making the makeup tutorial, I just found that this kind of video makes much more impact in this tough situation, so that's why I made this kit for you guys. Hope this will be helpful, finger crossed, and I will definitely see you guys on the next one. Till then, I love you all so much. Stay happy, stay beautiful, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Okay, I love you all so much. Bye.